Good morning. Today's chapter is Understanding Marginalization. When a group of people or an individual is deprived of certain privileges or treated as different from others, in that time we are facing marginalization. The term minority is most commonly used to refer to communities that are numerically small in relation to the rest of the population. Adivasi. They are original inhabitants. These are the communities who live in close association with forest. They are also called tribals. Some groups of people excluded from the society because they speak a different language, follow different customs, or different religious group from the majority community. So these people may also feel marginalized because they are poor, considered to be of low social status, and viewed as being less human than others. Adivasis are the particularly found in Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. Now, why Adivasi is forced to move from their land? Adivasis lived in areas that were rich in minerals and other natural resources. So, these are the area are taken over the mining and other large industrial projects. According to the official figures, more than 50% of Adivasi people were displaced due to the mines and mining project for this purpose. Another recent survey report shows that 79% Adivasis were displaced from the states of Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, and Jharkhand. Why? Because huge tracts of land were taken away to build dams. They were evicted from their land for the development of national park and wildlife sanctuaries. All these circumstances forced Adivasis to move from their lands. Now, would you agree that economic and social marginalization are interlinked? Yes. We are completely agree with this statement that the economic marginalization and social marginalization are interlinked because economic condition of a person affect his social status. His social recognition is determined by his economic base. If a person is economically weak, society regards him as a poor and weak person, while a person who has money and wealth is regarded by the society as a rich and strong person. So he gets respect in every sphere in the society. People are mostly impressed in materialistic concept of life. So in this concept, money matter play important roles in life. So we come to end of this chapter, Understanding Marginalization. Thank you.